What's going on? Daryl Leck with Motocross Action magazine. We're at Milestone MX. We have a special treat today. We have Andrew Short's factory BTO KTM 450 SXF. This is air suspension front and rear. A lot different. In Europe, they have, on the OEM bikes, they have air suspension over there. But the cool thing about this is it's totally different. Over there is one chamber. We got 4 different chambers on these forks. It's not really for the general customer, but you know what? This is a factory setup that we're really excited to try out. And like we said, this is the bike right off the last round of the AMA Nationals in Indiana. And what's really cool about this shock is what we can't show you and we can't see either is actually a regulator inside the airbox. Just like the factory team, this is a factory services engine and it's factory suspension, but BTO is a little bit different. They got Pirelli tires, XL wheels, Talon hubs, FMF exhaust, ODI bars and grips, Kirby's plastic, enginized, Hinson components, and to lighten up Andrew's steed, there's carbon components and titanium fasteners littered throughout the entire bike. We're gonna have Johnny Dale, our test rider, rip this bike up, as far as myself, another couple other test riders, and then we're gonna put this bike in the future issue of Motocross Action magazine, as well as motocrossactionmag.com.